everyone, welcome to Enjay's Play Space! Today, we're going to learn about magic tricks! We're going to learn about vanishing test tube trick! You see, this is called Science Magic Vegetable Oil. Now, I'm gonna pour this in here until it gets to 40. Okay, it's at 40. Now, I'm gonna put this test tube in here. Now, I'm gonna get this and get some more vegetable oil and get it in here. I don't think that's enough. Abracadabra, alakazam. Can you see it or not? Now, guys, look at this. As you can see in the yellowness, you can't see a thing. Wow, it did really vanish. Can you see it? Let me know in the comments below. Isn't this cool? Please subscribe and give a like to my channel. See you next time.